Ready to shave years off your look? Discover the 10 revolutionary layered shags that transform your style and restore your youthful glow instantly. Is your next big change waiting right here? 1. Butterfly shag. This style is perfect for those seeking maximum volume without losing length. It creates a lifting effect around the cheekbones, making it ideal for heart-shaped faces looking for a vibrant edge. Choose this variation for a softer, romantic vibe. The heavy internal layers remove weight from thick hair, providing a breezy, effortless movement that radiates a youthful and carefree energy. 2. Platinum razor cut wolf shag. This edgy, razor cut version is a go-to for fine hair, as the choppy ends create the illusion of density. It's a bold choice for anyone wanting to highlight their jawline and facial structure. A shorter take on the wolf cut provides a fresh, cool girl aesthetic. It's highly recommended for those with active lifestyles who want a low-maintenance style that looks intentionally styled. 3. Honeytone Italian shag. The Italian shag offers a more sophisticated, expensive look. It's the ultimate choice for professional women who want a modern style that remains elegant, polished, and full of life. This version focuses on face-framing bottleneck bangs. It's excellent for softening a high forehead and drawing attention to the eyes, providing a gentle, youthful framing to the face. 4. Copper curtain bang shag. Copper is the trendiest color for a fresh look. This style adds warmth to the skin tone, and the curtain bangs perfectly mask fine lines around the eyes, acting as a natural facelift. Ideal for wavy hair textures, this cut emphasizes natural curls. The layers prevent the hair from looking bottom-heavy, ensuring a balanced, airy, and modern silhouette that looks great on all ages. 5. Cool Espresso textured lob shag. The lob long bob shag is the height of modern chic. It's the best option for those transitioning from a blunt bob to a more dynamic, layered look that adds instant volume. This dark-toned shag is perfect for olive or tan skin. The cool espresso tones provide a sharp, clean contrast that makes the eyes pop and gives the hair a healthy, dense appearance. 6. Pastel pink wispy shag. For the creative soul, this wispy shag in pastel pink offers a playful and artistic vibe. The thin, feathered layers are great for softening square or angular face shapes effectively. This style works wonderfully for those who love a lived-in look. The pastel hue combined with the shaggy layers creates a trendy, high-fashion aesthetic that is surprisingly wearable and fresh. 7. Soft caramel feathered shag. This classic shag is the ultimate safe transition into layers. The warm caramel tones add a sun-kissed glow to the face, making it the perfect choice for a natural, youthful refreshment. Best for medium-thick hair, this cut removes bulk while maintaining a lush, healthy look. It's a timeless style that suits nearly every face shape, particularly those with more prominent features. 8. Deep Burgundy curly shag. Specifically designed for curly hair, this shag prevents the triangle shape by adding strategic layers. The deep burgundy color adds a mysterious and sophisticated depth to the overall look. This is the best choice for those wanting to embrace their natural texture with a modern twist. The layers provide height at the crown, giving a more elongated and youthful face shape. 9. Ash blonde pixie shag. The pixie shag is the ultimate bold move for a fresh start. It's perfect for highlighting the neck and collarbone, providing an instant chic and youthful lift to the entire appearance. This style is particularly flattering for those with fine hair who want to experiment with short lengths. The messy, layered top adds height and volume where it's needed most. 10. Golden Balayage Midi shag. The midi medium length is the most versatile shag. Combined with golden balayage, it mimics the natural brightening effect of the sun, making it ideal for a vibrant, healthy-looking style. Choose this for a low-maintenance but high-impact look. The golden tones brighten the complexion, while the middle-length layers offer enough weight for easy styling and a youthful, effortless bounce.